is the problem with my Fusion. I got a check engine light and I got the brake light on. So basically this one, no matter what I do, like this, still goes on. And if I like release it, it's still on. So when I drive, I have a warning there that the parking brake is engaged, which is terrible. So let's see if I could make it. Yep, parking brake engaged, even though it's down now. I'm going to check the parking brake, see what's going on with this. I'm going to first, you can use a pry tool to take this out, and I think this one, let's see. Good. Yeah, I think this whole thing, you could just pull it up. I have to pull this one out, and basically I have to slowly pry this side too, because it wouldn't release. So I'll slowly pry this out. Yep. And I think there's some wiring for the light. I think it's like a multicolored light thing. It's like a special effects thing. Oh yeah, there's a connector over here. Yeah, I think this is for the light here, and that one too. I was able to like move it a little bit, and the connector is actually not there. It's only over here. So yeah, I'll just leave it there. I still have more space to check out what happened to this parking brake. So yep, got some junk in here, and another junk in here. So much junk. So let's see what happened to this brakes. So there should be like a switch in here that's probably broken. Yep. So I'm gonna take out this this screw to find out what happened to this one. Maybe I should just take this out. This connector, maybe. Yep. Let's see how. Yeah, there's a connector over here. I think that switch is broken. Yep. So it seems that I seem to know what the problem is. So I have a hard time actually trying to remove this. But if you look at this, see this one over here? This should be positioned like this. But I think what happened is this plastic assembly is now broken. Yep. So I could move it freely. This is like a notch so that you could align it correctly. So I need a new one for this. I think, yeah, there's a switch in here that, yeah, or maybe I could probably just put a screw. Yeah, to where it was, and then, yeah, let's try reposition it. Parking brake is now on. I'm going to play with the switch here. Yep, so the switch is fine. It's just not positioned correctly. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this lever down. See if oh, it's not even touching it. So Looks like it's the parking brake that's broken too. Yeah, the whole thing. Yep. Got the screw, and yep, this is what happens. This is probably the notch where it should go to this hole, I think. Yep, this one. Yep, it should be like this. And this is where the screw is. Yep. And let's see if I could take some piece of it. Yeah, and this one is like broken. I don't know if I could use it. And let's try disconnecting it. It's connected. Let's see if the replacement part. So this is basically what goes into the hole in there to actually like hold it in place. So pretty much the same stuff. We'll see. We'll see if it will work. Tightening it. Should like fit there in the proper position. And parking brake is on. Yep. This should turn off. Yep. Cool. Okay. Now fix the problem. Yep. So this is just only a broken part. So nothing wrong with the handle.